What's up everyone, welcome to the club. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to draw Enderman from Minecraft. Alright, so we're going to start at the very top of our page and draw a large square for the head. So we're going to draw a straight line from left to right. And then from the sides, we're going to come straight down with the same length line that we have on the top. So let's start on the left side. Come all the way down towards the bottom of the square. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now let's close off the bottom of the square. Let's go in and add in the eyes. Now the eyes sit about halfway down the height of the head, so here we're going to draw two straight lines. One coming up along the top, and then the bottom. Now we want to line this up on the right side and do the same thing. Now let's close off the inside with a straight line. Now let's add a square in the center of each eye for the pupils. Now we're going to go back in and add some detail later, but let's continue with the arms. So from the corner of the head, we're going to step in, we're going to draw a straight long line coming all the way down towards the bottom of the arm to right about there. Go to the right side, we'll step in, we're going to draw that same length line. Now we're going to draw the inside of the arm. I'm going to step in, draw that same length line coming down the inside of the arm, and do the same thing on the right. Now let's close off the bottom of the arm with a straight horizontal line. Now I'm going to add a rotated cube in between the arms. So we're going to start up here on the left side, we're going to angle up and in towards the middle, and it will angle down and out towards the right. Now let's come down and in towards the center on both sides. Now from that center, I'm going to draw a straight line coming down towards the bottom of the cube. Now I'm going to take that same length line and continue the arm with that same length. We'll just extend this down, and then we'll close off the bottoms with an angled line coming in towards the middle. Let's add a little bit of detail to the cube. We're going to start on the outside. We're going to angle down and in with that same angle. Come straight down with a short line. And we're going to come down again with another angle. Go straight up. And we'll angle down and in towards the center. Now let's draw on the right side. From here, we're going to step down, angle up this time. Go up. Then we'll go all the way across towards the outside of the cube. Now we want to find the halfway point between the head and the cube. So right here, from the inside of the arm, we're going to go straight across. This is for the lower part of the body. Now we're going to draw two long legs coming down in behind this cube. So from the inside of the arm, we're going to step in, draw a straight line coming down in behind the cube. And we'll do the same thing over on the right. Now we'll step in and draw the inside of the leg. Now these legs, we want to make sure that they're around the same thickness as the arms. Now we're going to extend the legs in behind the cube along the bottom. So let's line up the left side underneath the cube, come down, go to the right side, come down to the same height. Now we're going to go across, just matching up the length that we have on the legs on both sides, and then we'll pull these up in behind the cube. Now we're going to go in and add some pixel detail to the body. Let's start with the head. From the inside of the arm, we're going to step in, we draw two straight lines going up. Now we're going to come in with a short line, we'll go up, and we'll close off the top with a straight line. Let's add another one underneath the eyes. Starting from the inside of the eye, we're going to come down on both sides. Now we're going to go across, just lining up with the outside edge of the pupil. So right about there, and we'll pull this straight up. Now let's go to the top of the eye. From this line, we're going to extend this going up, go across, come down, and we'll go out. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So from this line, we're going to extend this up to the same height. Go out, down, and then all the way out towards the side of the head. Now I'm going to add some more random pixels across the body. Let's start at the top of the head and draw a square on the top. Let's add one on the left side of the body. Come in with a long line and go up. Let a cube down here. And then we'll add one over on the right side just to balance this out. Draw a few along the arm. Start on the outside with a short line, a longer line coming down, and then out. Let's add one small square on the inside of the arm here. Now let's go to the right side. We'll add a small cube on the inside of the arm. I want to add almost like a shadow along the top of the legs. You step down, draw a straight line going across both sides. And then we'll add a couple more on the inside of the legs. Draw a square on the left leg, and on the outside of the right leg. And that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Enderman from Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.